The Gemini 2.0 image generation model from Google is here, and it's revolutionizing AI-powered imaging. A single click takes a washed-out, desaturated photo and restores its colors with a punch. That's just the beginning. It's creating full story scenes with consistent characters, and it nails product photography with exceptional accuracy. I'm super excited to walk you through all the incredible things it can do. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is head to Google and search for Google AI Studio. Or if you're feeling lazy, just grab the direct link from the description below. Click that and boom, you'll land in this AI lab where we're about to cook up some seriously cool stuff today. So to unlock the image generation magic, we've got to tweak a few things. Over on the right side, you'll see this model option. Click it and switch it to Gemini 2.0 Flash Image Experimental. That's the VIP pass to the fun zone. Below that, there's this thing called temperature. And no, it's not about how hot your room is, sadly. It's like the AI's creativity dial. Crank it high and the AI goes wild, doing its own crazy thing. Keep it low and it's like, yes, boss, I'll stick to your script. I'm going to recommend keeping it smack in the middle. Best of both worlds, right? Then we've got the advanced settings option. Click that bad boy and head to Edit Safety Settings. By default, it's got everything locked down, blocking all the edgy stuff. But if you want, you can set it to block none to get full creative freedom. All right, enough with the settings. Let's get to the fun part. Now we're going to add an image. Just drag and drop it right into the text bar. Easy peasy. So check this out. This image I've got here is totally desaturated, all gray and lifeless. Let's fix that. I'll type in the prompt, colorize this image, hit enter, and boom, done in like 6 seconds flat. Look at this result. Insane, right? The colors pop like magic. This is such a slick trick to have up your sleeve, even if you're a Photoshop pro. Okay, let's push it further. I'm going to type, turn this into nighttime with a Milky Way in the sky, and hit run. Check this out, people. This is absolute madness. In seconds, it's nighttime, stars twinkling, Milky Way stretching across the sky. Look at how effortless that was. Editing photos can take some serious skills in Photoshop, and we love that. But with this tool, lightning fast and easy. All right, let's switch gears and try something else. I'm going to upload this cat image, cute little guy, right? And give it a prompt. Replace the cat with a cute puppy. Let's see what Gemini whips up for us, and boom, just look at that. In like no time flat, it's worked its magic. Now we've got an adorable puppy rocking the same outfit, same pose, same spot where the cat was. Are you kidding me? This is next level stuff. It's so quick and seamless. Seriously, this AI is showing off now. Oh, and quick tip, people. Save your image after this because your chat doesn't stick around here. Now, let's see how this thing handles a product photo shoot. I'm uploading this photo of a soda can. Pretty basic, right? And I'll toss in a prompt I snagged from ChatGPT, spiced up with a few of my own details. Hit run and bang! In just 7 seconds, it generates the image. Take a closer look. Wow, check out that can. The logo's looking sharp, like it fits right in on that aluminum. But, the fruits and ice? They look so fake, they'd get laughed out of a clip art audition. Still, it can be great for brainstorming ideas until it's fully developed. After a few reruns, I got these even more stunning shots. Look at the consistency of the product. It's unreal. Okay, full disclosure. Sometimes it might morph the logo a bit and won't give you a perfect result on the first try, but no stress. Just rerun the prompt and you're good to go. Here's another example. Sunglasses. As you can see, with just a little chatting with the AI, you can drop your product into any scenario. How cool is that? Instant eye-catching product photos for your Instagram? No sweat. And let's take it a step further. Let's add a human model and see how it handles that. So I've uploaded a model and an iPhone image. I'll add this prompt and hit run. And look at that. The same model, same outfit, same style is now holding an iPhone 16 in her hand. Sure, she looks a bit unreal, and her eyes look a tad different from our reference image, but come on, it's still pretty darn close. Let's rerun the prompt and see what we get. All right, check this out. I think it's nailing the pose even better now, and both the product and the model stay totally consistent. This is another example where I added a perfume bottle in her hand, and it came out stunning. Seriously, I'm totally surprised with how easy it is. Now, if you throw in some creativity, you can whip up AI video ads with this kind of consistency. People used to drop thousands of dollars for these kind of product commercials, but here we are just chatting with AI to make it happen. That's beyond amazing. Now, let's see how we can make a model wear your brand's outfit. I've got a jacket and a model completely generated in Midjourney. I'll just prompt, make the model wear this exact jacket with consistency, and hit run. And bam! Right in the first result, we've got this image of the model wearing the same jacket we asked for. Check it out. Even the pose stays the same. Here's another example. A girl model and a floral dress. As you can see, once again, we've got this insane level of consistency with the clothing. I'd say it's about 90% spot on, which is totally amazing. Next up, I've got multiple accessories: shoes, a handbag, and a jacket. Let's see if this tool can add them to our model with maximum consistency. I'll add this prompt and hit enter. In just about 10 seconds, the AI gives us this result on the first try. Take a look. Every product we threw in is showing up perfectly. The model's face shifted a bit, sure, but the consistency with the products, it's on another level. Now, let's try something different. I've got a sketch of an anime character, and I'm going to ask the AI to colorize it. Boom! In just a few seconds, it's colorized. And of course, you can tweak the colors however you like. Let's say, adjust the lighting and shading. And there it is. Check out this image with the lighting and shading dialed in perfectly. Now, let's add a background too. I'll say, put her in a classroom. And bam! She's now chilling in a classroom. This tool is ridiculous, from a basic sketch to a fully rendered scene in literally under a minute. It's almost unfair how easy this is. And not just that. Later, I asked the AI to give me 5 different poses of this character, each with a pose name, and look at this. It created 5 unique poses for the anime character, all fresh and labeled. If you're an artist, you can see how insane this is. You could use it to visualize your character in a bunch of ways or do whatever creative madness you've got in mind. And similarly, if you've got your image and want it from a different perspective, like a side view, bottom angle, or top shot, you can just chat with the AI and it'll handle it for you. It keeps the character and style consistent too. This could be a total lifesaver for filmmakers. Now, another amazing thing we can do here is create a whole story with a consistent character. I had this rabbit story from ChatGPT, so I pasted it in and asked the AI to make 3D Pixar-style images for each scene, keeping the character consistent. And just look at the result. The rabbit stays totally on point. It's even rocking a pirate outfit. The style holds up across all the scenes too. Only hiccup? The image aspect ratio isn't consistent. It's all over the place. There's no direct option to control that, but if you toss it into the prompt, it might listen sometimes. And here's another cool trick. You can ask it to whip up a recipe for a dish and generate images for each step. Check this out. A full recipe with a step-by-step guide and visuals to follow along. Isn't that wild? Alright, finally, here's another awesome use case for this tool. Interior designers. This one's for you. You can upload your room image and ask it to redesign the space however you want. It'll spit out some seriously cool ideas for your interior design in no time. Just mess around with it and see what clicks. Endless inspiration right there. And that's it for this video. There's so much you can do with this thing, so I'll just say, go now and play around with it. You can use it in a ton of ways to your advantage. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.